Assalamu alaikum, I am Bushra. Today we are going to do paragraph writing and our topic is Nature, the best healer. Nature has healing and restorative powers on human body and mind. It provides a great stress relief by enabling us to remove stress. The sun is an inescapable part of the outdoor experience. It is an invaluable yet completely free source of health. By being outdoors, we are exposed to the sun, and its invigorating and life giving power greatly improves our mood. It is also a natural source of vitamin D and a crucial protection against disease. Clean air is another reason why some people choose to spend time in nature. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe.